The rich man and the poor man. Food! Give me some food. I am hungry. Please. Food and money I give to you. Why do you shout so mercilessly when I give you your part? Where is the rich man, the poor man, replied? Your question you cannot answer. For from pain and agony you are free, but I have suffered and bore the situation that I don't like to be in. That I couldn't understand because life for me is easy. I take this and take that, and life is just what I want it to be. Consented the rich man. Comfort your mind, rich man, with realities of death. Your wealth I do not envy, for you cannot buy eternity with money. If to live happily, if to live in hypocrisy. So I prefer to be silly, so I won't be holy. Life you love so much, you will lose, and only then you will understand what agony is. The poor man shouted, Ha ha ha, you say so. For you, this ride, this place is mine. Indulgent, you have clouded with reason, but I understand because of your situation. Boastfully, the rich man said. Outraged, the poor man answered, How painful! The person blinded with pleasure. No, you don't care of our journey. You created through your greediness. Come, now, man of big soul, your days are numbered for you to face the man of love. You may not cry now, but later, when the chilling realities of the last judgment come across your way, yes, you will be pity, but not for me, not for anybody else, but for yourself only. Yes, eat, drink, and be merry, for tomorrow you shall die. The rich man and the poor